Car lovers, imagine a vehicle that's not just tough, but iconic. Now picture it conquering mountains and boulevards alike while keeping you in unmatched luxury. Today, we unveil the secrets of the Mercedes G63 AMG, the SUV that turns every drive into a show-stopping event. Stick around, because there's one mind-blowing detail even die-hard fans miss. Welcome, fellow car enthusiasts. The Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG W464 model isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. A mix of legacy, power, and luxury, this car has stories to tell, and we're about to dive deep into its hidden features. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the G-Wagon is called legendary. Don't blink, or you might miss something jaw-dropping. First, let's admire that timeless boxy design. A shape so bold, it redefines elegance. But did you know it's not just about the looks? The matte finish doesn't just resist scratches, it's self-healing under sunlight. Yes, you heard that right. Your car literally fixes itself. And those smart wipers? They're rain-detecting ninjas that work even in the lightest drizzle. Here's a quick challenge. Comment below. What's your favorite color for a G-Wagon? Matte black? Diamond white? Let's see who has the boldest taste. Now step inside, where every surface whispers luxury. The ambient lighting system? Choose from 64 colors to match your vibe or your Instagram feed. But here's where it gets cooler, literally. The cup holders aren't just placeholders, they're temperature controlled. Hot coffee or icy soda? Sorted. Here's a fun fact. The advanced filtration system doesn't just clean the air, it makes your car smell like a high-end spa. Can you guess which luxury scent they modeled it after? Hint, it's European. Drop your guesses in the comments below. Let's talk power. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine delivering 577 horsepower and 850 Newton-meters of torque. It's not just a car, it's a rocket ship. But here's a hidden twist. Activate Sand mode and watch it glide over dunes like it's floating. Or switch to Rock mode for the ultimate off-road smoothness. And the exhaust system? It's your mood's megaphone? Want to keep it subtle? Silent mode. Feeling dramatic? Unleash the beast with its full-throated roar on highways. CTA moment. What would you choose? A silent cruise or a roaring highway run? Comment below with your style. Let's settle this debate once and for all. So, there you have it. The G63 AMG isn't just about getting you from A to B. It's about doing it with flair, power, and unmatched comfort. Whether you're cruising the city streets or owning the wild outdoors, this SUV has your back. If you've enjoyed discovering these hidden details, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to never miss another legendary car breakdown. The G-Wagon isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Which part blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more automotive secrets.